most come back for more. I got a house in the hills with a dough that spins, goes in and out and in, round and round again. I live a life these player haters would love to be living. Since a kid I've been surrounded by beautiful women, and slipping in them to win them the unforgiven. Still something's missing, cause deep inside I'm suffering of a lonely heart condition. Wishing I could find a girl that'll take me away from the chaos of the city and the everyday part that I play. Tell me why lay low, I say no when I got girls serenading at my window. Ladies good to go, he's major league, the new breed, no so-so. Highly advanced, they got the game to get in any girl's pants. And romance is stone, cause I'm old and hold my own. They call me Shifty Capone, I make 'em moan. Yes, I'm the one, between these sheets I amaze and stun. Ain't no need for me to brag about the way that I'm hung. Let's just say I got the skills to get the flyest girl sprung. Oh, the taking, making up the lady feel young. The ladies come, ladies go, I'm my revolving door. Some ladies never come back, most come back for more. I got a house in the hills with a dough that spins, goes in and out and in, round and round again. Now ladies come, ladies go, I'm my revolving door. Some ladies never come back, most come back for more. I got a house in the hills with a dough that spins, goes in and out and in, round and round again.
Epic. CXT. If you got an itch to get some havoc, there's mayhem in the plastic city of La La. I mean the land of holy Jaja. The wood is hot and you can't spot the rocks of people like sheep. Those are dreadlocks to jocks of 3 blocks, 3 in our rocks. A la cafe, then by the flash a fashion. Imagine crashing dashes with bitches that be bad and wishing for the fame and recognition. They on a mission for death, baby. We like the 12. My tribe is crazy deep. We got the beats that are hot, we're like Clinique. Foundation resonates when I speak, and if by chance you catch it, then listen. The wisdom epic, open it and choking up. You done it now, woken up. The giant scientist, the hits that make it jump like a lunatic. I'm pogo sticks swinging your fist. So if you're catching a fit, talking that shit, I don't really know, but you better scream, hurry in the double. It goes on and on and on. Hell-raising Hollywood, welcome to Babylon. On and on and on and on. The party don't stop till the mystery's gone. It goes on. I've seen it all, I see it again. I shake a lot of hands, but I ain't got a lot of friends. It goes on and on and on. Hell-raising Hollywood, welcome to Babylon.
Bring it on, we trample, Babylon, Babylon. It's a Gideon. We have a posse of a million, we take this whole world by storm.
Live from the city of lights, sunny days and late nights. Dope designer drugs, porn stars and bar fights. I drop, make the bells rock. Mr. Shifty Shell Shock, call me the man of the hour in the land of the lost, taking the money and the power. CXT, we hold our own, all eyes on us. Crazy rides, rain like brimstone, kicking up dust. Grab the mic with a firm hold in a world of shattered goals. Potholes, broke folks and bankroll. Hold position, daddy's rolling, causing havoc. So ready, set, I'm more than set. Like Morissette to Maverick, got a cheese, gotta have it, stick 'em, leave 'em stuck. I'm getting high for a living, not giving a fuck. It goes on and on and on. Hell-raising Hollywood, welcome to Babylon. On and on and on and on. The party don't stop till the mystery's gone. It goes on. I've seen it all, I see it again. I shake a lot of hands, but I ain't got a lot of friends. It goes on and on and on. Hell-raising Hollywood, welcome to Babylon.
To political system, Babylon will make us the victim. Open up your ears and listen. We living in the illest condition.
I'm screaming out the call of the wild. I'm speaking in tongues, I am the child of the sun. The power of one, I beat the drums of the crazy town click. It's the third eye sitting on the tip of the pyramid flip. Now I see a little shoddy Illuminati, dead bodies in my unraveling the source. I travel into you gauge my wage and then you try to debate my way.